wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best wet-dry vacuums. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Vacmaster VQ607 SFD sports a modern industrial look with a polished stainless steel can. The 6-gallon tank is small enough to store without a problem, yet holds a lot of dirt or water. Its 7-foot hose helps you reach into tight corners. It comes with 2 extension wands and a handy crevice tool. However, it's not fully resistant to rust. At number 9, a 14-gallon capacity and a 6-horsepower motor help the Ridgid WD-1450 take care of the biggest messes. It includes various attachments suitable for auto detailing and a quick-release accessories bag to keep them all close at hand. It features a 20-foot cord, but it is quite heavy at 27 pounds and is relatively expensive too. Coming in at number 8 on our list. You can't always control where a spill or mess will occur in your home, so it's nice to have something like the shop-vac Easy on hand. It's suitable for use on various types of flooring, including carpets. It's lightweight and includes a gulper nozzle. It's wall-mountable for simple storage and equipped with side handles on the tank. However, the hose tends to kink easily. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wet-dry vacuums, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, if you're concerned with portability, the DeWalt Max is probably a smart choice. It's equipped with a tough 5-foot-long hose, and you have the option to plug it into an AC outlet or go completely cordless using the company's versatile power pack. It's a lightweight construction with a washable filter, but its battery life is relatively short. Moving up our list to number 6. Not only is it easy to replace, the top-mounted filter on the Karcher multipurpose allows you to switch between wet and dry cleaning modes without stopping. It offers different suction power settings so you can tailor it to the application at hand. It's equipped with an 1800-watt motor, a convenient filter cleaning button, and a built-in power tool outlet. Halfway up our list at number 5. With its extra-large draining port and detachable blower, the Vacmaster VBV is ideal for lots of around-the-house cleanup jobs. It comes with a 12-gallon tank and lets you store various accessories on board, saving you from having to trek back to get the right one. It blows at 210 miles per hour and offers one-button switching between modes. It sucks water out of carpets well. At number 4, with its powerful motor and versatile swiveling casters, the Craftsman XSP will take a lot of the pain out of many household chores. It rolls effortlessly in any direction and doesn't tip over even if you yank hard on the hose. It features a large drain for quick emptying and a huge 16-gallon tank. It's good for clearing gutters. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Workshop Cleaner comes with everything you need to spruce up even a disastrous mess. It's designed with a comfortable, easy-to-grip handle, super strong suction capabilities, and a locking tab to keep the hose connected during use. It includes a carrying handle with a cord wrap, big rear wheels for maneuverability, and a 5-year warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wet-dry vacuums, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Mercury Storm offers a generous 20 gallons of capacity for dry vacuuming and 15 gallons for wet, so you know you'll be in good shape regardless of the job. The wand and head are plated in chrome and can withstand daily use. It includes a squeegee tool, a strong and durable steel tank, and an extra-long 50-foot power cord. And coming in at number 1 on our list, frequently seen in busy garages and on job sites, the Ridgid WD-1270 is suitable for professional use and durable enough to last for years. It's easy to find attachments and replacement filters for this popular and versatile model. It comes with a carrying handle on top and convenient nozzle storage. It weighs less than 20 pounds. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wet-dry vacuums, or simply click beneath this video.